So, okay, so welcome everybody to this webinar. We are joined by Levis. Levis is one of our students at Africa Data School. Levis resides in Liberia. The headquarters for Africa Data School is in Kenya, but we are able to interact because of the internet. And further to that, Lewis is an administrator for the ERP system for the Ministry of Health in Liberia. And the reason we are doing this is to just be curious and understand why someone in the Ministry of Health, as an administrator of the ERP system there, would want to join Africa Data School and learn data science. So without further ado, Lewis, welcome. Kindly introduce yourself.
Yeah, my man. Yeah, you see my level on that.
We are waiting for you to speak. Yeah, did you get to hear what I said, Lewis?
No, Duncan, the line is very, very terrible. I'm not hearing you at all. I don't know.
Right now, you can hear. Can you hear me right now?
No, I'm not hearing you. I'm not hearing you at all. So I have to leave office because of the so if we can push it off for maybe 2 hours from now on, the office will be empty. They'll be better to do at that time because now people in and out have to leave and they come outside. So it really disturbing me. In the office,
you can find a place that is convenient for you to do this.
I don't know, convenience because
yes, so see, but I can hear you. Everybody can hear you here, so don't worry. You can still do this.
Okay, if everybody hearing me, then
yeah, we can. Yeah, we can hear you. So just now introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Levis Wagwekeswan. At the level and we have 15 countries. So all countries have their own country offices. So all 15 country offices, I make sure some of us get it. And the next ERP,
I'm sorry, it seems like we can't hear you clearly. I think, can you hear me, Levis?
Hello?
I think just switch off your video.
Switch off my video, right? Okay.
Yeah, so that you can, so just speak now. You can just speak now.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so just introduce yourself again.
Yeah, so as I was saying, next week we run mainly the financial. It has to do with the financial management. We manage the finances and procurement aspect, everything involved. So I serve as administrator for it. And for education, I attended Stella Maris Polytechnic University in Nigeria.
Okay, University of Nigeria or Liberia.
Come again?
You said University of Liberia.
No, Stella Maris Polytechnic University.
Okay.
Yeah, Stella Maris. So I did electronics engineering. We're interested in networking. So I started my career with the Ministry of Health. The network technician. I worked as a network technician and then grew up to network administrator. With the help of the administrator, then attended a lot of trainings and other conferences outside, in and outside of Liberia. And I attended Amateur University, based in India.
You attended which university?
In information technology, Amateur University. Hello.
Yeah, you said you attended which university?
I said Amateur University. Amateur
University
in India.
All right.
Yeah, yes, they run a Pan-African educational program.
Okay.
I attended that program. I got a postgraduate diploma on the information technology.
Okay.
And I also went South Africa. I got an advanced ICT security and system management certificate.
Okay.
And in Accra, Ghana, I had another security level 1 voluntary management.
Just to cut you a bit short, Levis, because of your accent, please speak slowly.
Okay.
So that you can hear, not speak too fast.
Yes. So I, all in all, I attended a couple of trainings to strengthen me up in my job area. But I came across data science, and I did a research on it, getting to know the potentials of data science.
Okay, hold on. Before you jump into data science. So first question. You are in the IT field, correct?
Yeah.
What made you decide to do data science?
Okay, I decided to drive into data science because I feel that the features of data science is getting more visible. Like the companies, in fact, everywhere now there's a need for data specialists or data scientists to get a job. So people making decisions based on the data they get. So just ICT, the portion of what I was doing was just maintenance, supportive, yes. Yeah, always giving support. So I think driving the data science, instead of just giving support, I will be involved with
data.
Yes.
Okay. It sounds so. It's interesting. So, is it that there's no university in Liberia that teaches data science, or why did you choose African Data School?
No, there's no university in Liberia, up to my knowledge, as we speak, that offer a course in data science. Yeah, that offer a course in data science.
Okay.
Yes. And again, I choose African data science because after doing my research and watching and listening to some of the testimony or the interview with some of their graduates, what they're doing out there, I got encouraged and got moved to have stepped in. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for that clarification. And so first, now we can at least fast forward. So now you have already joined African Data School. How is the course so far?
The course so far is we just started, I think, 2-3 weeks ago.
3 weeks or 2 weeks?
Yeah. That was 2-3 weeks ago. We are not going.
Okay.
We're not doing much in it. Yes, but it's promises to be good. It promises to be good. Up to the level of what we're doing, that's something all has some prior knowledge of some. because Python, yes.
Please speak slowly for the people in the people are saying they're not hearing you, so just speak slowly.
And I know it will be better because from the initial presentation from the lecturer, I think he's good and he knows the subject matter. So we're gonna yeah.
So so far so good. The instructor, you feel that they understand what they're saying. And you can hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, so you said that so far the course is okay and your instructor is knowledgeable in the subject matter.
Yes, I said the course promises to be good because the instructor from the initial stage, the presentation promised to be like.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so the other question I would ask you is, you being in the Ministry of Health, what do you think how do you think data science will help you in your current position as an IT administrator in the Ministry of Health? Oh dear, I think our host has internet issues. But all the same, I know you guys came here with a lot of questions, and just before he comes back, or if he will be able to come back, I'm here to kindly ask you to, if you have a question, unmute, and then I'll be able to answer the questions that you may have about the onboarding process at Africa Data School, and as well as any questions that you may have about the course, the fees, everything. So kindly unmute yourself, and if you can turn on your video, it's okay. Then ask your question. Alternatively, you can write that question on the chat. Alternatively, you can write the question on the chat, or you can unmute yourself and then ask the question.
Yeah. I lost connection with you guys.
Okay, you're back.
Hello, Doggy?
Yes, sir. You're back now, yeah?
Okay. Now it's terrible.
Yeah, I can see that. The network is also. So are you okay to continue, or would you rather we try this another time as well? Because I had already started the Q&A session. So like I said, if you have a question about Africa Data School, please go ahead and ask on the chat or unmute yourself and ask. So for anyone who wants to ask a question, kindly go ahead and ask. You can write the question on the chat, or you can unmute yourself and ask. No one has a question about the curriculum, about the fee, about the course duration. Oh, okay, we have Lydia. Hi, I work in HR and payroll management. One of our employees during his interviews mentioned that he was enrolled in your school and worked in the collection department. Who was that? Leah Kelly. Okay. Okay, let's wait for her to complete the question.
So I'm waiting for questions from you, right?
Yeah, I'm waiting for because of the connection issues. I had already started the Q&A session with the guy, so
okay.
So we'll halt for this, if that's okay.
Okay.
I'm okay. Yeah, so let's have. Yes?
Hello?
Who is from it? Yes, who is speaking? John?
I'm Okiria Joel from Uganda.
Sure, go ahead.
What I wanted to know, because I'm interested in the course, and I wanted to give me more light on how to pay payments, how the payment method, can I pay in installments and just like that?
Okay, so thanks, Joe, for your question. So we allow people to pay in two ways. So you can pay in installments or you can pay the full payment. So to pay in installments, you can pay a deposit to secure your place. So the deposit is 10% of the cost. So for example, the cost for the data science course is $350. So 10% of that would be $35 to secure your spot. And then by the beginning of the session, before August 7th, when the course is beginning, you should have paid at least half of the fee. So you will add $140 to that to make half the fee. And then the rest of the fee should be paid by September 30th. So you'll have a period of around 6 to 8 weeks to be able to clear the rest of the amount. Joel, I don't know if that was clear.
I've got it clear, yeah. Because I had the challenges with funds at the moment. That's why I'm asking that if I can pay in installments like that.
Yeah. So would you be able to secure your spot like today or tomorrow? Joel?
Yes, please.
Would you be able to secure your place today or tomorrow?
No, probably tomorrow. I can't promise.
Okay. You still have, so don't worry, you still have time, and just make sure you hurry so that you do not lose out on the chance. So let me just go back to Lillian's question. So Lillian says, now I'm interested with the course because of the amount of data I work with. Most of the time, I'm frustrated with how limiting Excel is. I'm hoping to add more skills to assist my daily working. Lillian, I would say first of all, you're in the right place. I'm so glad that you have a referral from someone who studied at Africa Data School, and I think for coming from a referral, that person can tell you how the experience was, how immersive the course is. So I think you're in the right place. I think data is here now. Artificial intelligence is here now. We are in the future. I won't tell you the future is data. We are in the future now. we're in the future now. I can't tell you that data science or AI is the future. We're in the future. I'm pretty sure most of you guys have interacted with ChatGPT. They've interacted with, you know, like Facebook. Facebook already implements AI that, they use it to advertise to you. You've seen self-driving cars, so it's here with us. And Lillian, I encourage you to go ahead and do it. And if you have any questions, any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out. So Lillian, we'll be so glad to have you join us. Then Rainy Victor has asked, can you give me 10 days to secure my chance for training? Victor, that's totally okay. I know the course is starting in about 21 days, so 10 days is pretty reasonable. So go ahead and organize yourself and make the deposit. So that's okay, Victor. We have another question from Peter. Peter has asked a question here. So his question is, my question is on the curriculum. There are some topics that are written no and other written yes. For example, onboarding it's written no. And on introduction to further setup is written yes. What does that mean? Oh, so what that means is it tells you whether you have an assignment or not. So for example, for your onboarding, there's no assignment attached to it. But for introduction to Python, there will be an assignment that you have to do. I don't know if that's clear, Peter. Peter, I don't know if I've answered your question. Let me just repeat. Yes. If you see yes and no, it means yes, there is an assignment, and no, there is no assignment. So that's the meaning of those two Qs in the curriculum. Lillian has said, if experience is good, I'll encourage my colleagues to join to here in my department. Okay, that would be wonderful. So I really hope that you get to join for the other class. Which company do you work in, Lillian?
What I wanted to know more clearly, how long will the course take?
Joel, are you asking a question?
I'm connected to the internet.
I'm asking, are you asking a question?
Sorry?
Are you asking a question?
Yeah, I was asking a question.
Okay.
I wanted, how long will the course take? Well, the intake is like on 7th, I think we got it on 7th. So yes. I wanted to know how long will it take.
Yeah.
Then you give me the payment method.
Okay. So one, there are two courses that we offer. We offer data analysis and data science. So I'm sure you signed up for the data science course. So the data science course starts on 7th of August. The data analysis course starts on 8th of August. For the data science course, it takes 12 weeks. The data analysis course takes 8 weeks. So for you, I think, can you be able to pay with a Visa card or MasterCard? Sure.
Sorry?
Can you be able to pay with a Visa card or MasterCard?
Yeah.
Yeah, so someone will send you a link to in your email or WhatsApp, and then you'll be able to pay using a card.
Okay.
All right. You're welcome. Really, Victor, like I said, let me just repeat for you. The data science course takes 12 weeks. The data analysis course takes 8 weeks.
You're talking to me?
No. I was just you know, answered your question. So anyway, is there anyone else who has a question? Otherwise, we will just go ahead and wrap it up. So we'll just have a word from Levis if his connection is okay, and then we will close this meeting. Levis, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, I think my connection is better now because I had to go in office and bring my modem. So okay. I think it's quite okay. I just keeping hope alive that after this course I'll be able to work with large data and know how to actually make use of good data, because nowadays there's nowhere people make decisions without data. Even in the health sector, educational sector, even the governmental area, they need data to make decisions. So in order to make a sound business investment decisions, you need a well data that is well analyzed. You need a data that will represent what you want to invest in, where you want to invest, and how long will it take you to get a return in your investment. So without getting all of these data, I think business investment will be zero. So you just get into somewhere that you not know where you're going and just put money. So I hope and pray that data science, Africa data science, will give in the skills and knowledge, understanding I want to venture into this career. Yeah.
Okay, thanks for that. Hopefully, so what we are going to do is once you are done and you get your certificate, we will do another webinar with you just to see now whether your hopes and dreams were accomplished or they were completely shattered. Okay. So thank you for coming. Thank you everybody for taking your time to come and listen to us. We will now close this meeting, and in case of any questions, you can reach out on WhatsApp or email. So thank you, and have a nice rest of the day, everybody.